How's it going? How's it going, guys? To start off this video. Oh, it's backwards, man. What is this? It's back. You can't read it. It's backwards, man. What the? No. Okay, there we go. I got me some banana nectar. We'll see how that tastes. And I got Sprite from McDonald's. I don't think you're supposed to mix banana and Sprite, and that's actually how you. That's a vomiting challenge, right there. To drink Sprite and banana. Okay. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do this video today. I don't know. I kind of forgot what I was doing last time. Bro, last video I modified packets successfully, but it wasn't very fulfilling, to be honest. It wasn't that cool. It's not that cool, because the whole reason for me making, because like I modified the chat, you know, the chat that comes in, I made it so you could replace messages with something else. You know, that's not very useful, to be honest. That's not that cool. I haven't used it. And you know what? I probably should use it. Not gonna lie. I'll try that today. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that, okay? Let's get to work. Also, my hand cam is freaking bright as hell, dude. You can't even see it. Hold on, let me change it. Okay. Alright, there we go. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, I forgot. The chat is not working. Let me fix that. Okay, now it's working. Okay. Let me go back to the thing. You know what? I'm gonna stop. I'm not gonna code for a little bit. I'm gonna try out. Oh my god, dude, the banana. So I'm gonna try out this banana nectar before things start happening. So it says have a sunny day. Alright, have a sunny day. That's awesome. That's awesome. This one can satisfy 70% of my daily recommended sugar. So that's awesome. Alright. I hope I don't know. Alright, let's drink this. Alright, I didn't shake it. Maybe I should have shaken it. Tastes like exactly what it. I don't know. It tastes like syrup, banana syrup. Yeah. It tastes like banana syrup. It is. It has fructose. The ingredients by order of most whatever is water, fructose, banana puree, pear concentrate, citric acid, CMC, and ascorbic acid. So this is mostly water and fructose. And I think fructose is syrup, maybe? I have no clue, but it tastes like syrup. Alright. It's not that good, but hey. Okay, so I did a little stuff here. So I figured out that this right here is like whenever there's a packet, is this in binary probably means it's a 6-bit integer. Just by how I was looking at it. So anything under 192, I think. 191, yeah. Anything 191 and under is, I think, a 6-bit integer, literal. And anything above might be something else. Maybe, I'm not too sure. I do remember this 60-byte string, because this was 254. Huh, okay, 201. Huh. You know what? That's kind of interesting. That's kind of interesting. So the strings. Let me see. Let me try to figure this out. Let me try to figure this one out. So if it's 110, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is, how many X's? Is 5, I think. Yeah. Okay, so this is what that encodes. And this would be an example. Okay. Okay, so this right here, I have some examples, I think. So that one, I mean, there's some numbers here. There are some, so 191 could be a literal, I guess, maybe. So this would be like 7. No, that's kind of weird. Wouldn't that be kind of weird if this was a 6-bit integer? And it says 2-byte integer, 240. Let's look at 240. 240s is a bunch of 1s and a 0. Huh. How many 1s exactly? 4 1s. Hold on, so... Okay, so 240... So this... Or this... Okay. What should I put 2-byte integer? So this encodes a 2-byte integer, this encodes a length something string. That's something right there. That is something. Okay, I have another question. What if it starts with 2 1s? So what is that? Okay, so that would be 192. Ooh. That's what okay, that's because of this one. So if it starts with 1 1, and it could have other stuff here, I'm claiming that it's a 6-bit integer. And then this one I'm claiming that's a 2-byte integer, which is actually, this one makes a lot of sense. I think this one's right. And this one is probably right as well. 9-byte string. Okay. Do we see 192? No. We do not. We do not see that. Okay, something else I want to look at. Something else I want to look at. Oh yeah, okay, I didn't even put on the freaking music, dude. The no copyright music. We gotta put some no copyright music in here, you know? Alright, there we go. How could I do this without the no copyright music? Oh my god, dude. I don't even want to drink this freaking banana syrup water. I mean, I kind of do. It's just so much. It's so syrupy. It is so syrupy. Okay. So I just want to figure out what these do. So the 255. Okay, wait. So 255 is all ones. And that encodes 4 bytes. Okay. So let's just write that down. So there's a 4 byte thing. Consumes 4 bytes. And then one less is a 60 byte string. Or no, it's just a string. You know what's weird? It's because it has 2 of them. So this would be the least significant bit. How would that work? This is a bunch of zeros. This would be the least. That's kind of weird, right? Because we got 0 and 60. Alright, okay. Alright, so let's figure this one out. So this one is 254. And it says A and B. Right. So this would be var string with length BA, I think. Yeah, right? How would we... Yeah, I gotta put B here. This is in binary. Because this is... Wait, how would that actually work, though? I think, because, like, yeah, this would be... It's kind of weird. So 70, 139... 70... Let me open up Notepad. Let's open up Notepad. Alright. So this is 46 thingy, 70. Yeah. So here we just put these two together. But for this, I don't have an example for this one where this is greater than 60, because right now I can only send 60. So I think I have to look for an example of this where we have a string that is greater than 60. So I'm not too sure. Not too sure about that one. Okay. Alright, so here we have this. And this right here is 0 right there. Okay. So how many ones is this? 7 ones. This is 4 ones. So maybe I should be looking for like the journey of all the encodings. right? Let's look for all the encodings. So here I have these set up. I don't really know what, I don't think these do anything. So I think if it starts with a 0 in the byte, then it also is a literal. So how about we find out here. Oh, wait, what am I doing? Okay. Right, yeah, so anything under 64, no, that's not right. Yeah, anything under 128, I think would be a literal. Anything under 128. Okay, so I mean these two would be literals, and these would be literals, and this, I don't know what this is, actually. Don't know what that is. Okay, let's check out. So 237, we have stuff. All right. 146 and 224. 224 looks special. It's 3 ones. Wasn't that a thing? This is 4 ones, 2 ones. Huh. So 4 ones was a 2-byte integer. 2 ones was a string. And these bits in here encode the length. Okay. 237. Let's try this out. So there's 3 ones and a 0. So it's 1101. So that's 13 in decimal. Okay, and 146. This could be a literal, right? Isn't this a literal? It's 10. Isn't that what I said for this one? Yeah. So let's try that out. So it's 10010. So that would be 18. So this probably might encode 18, and this is just odd. Just a little odd there. 3 ones. What does that mean? What does that do? Wait, 237 also has 3 ones. Okay. These could be in the same class of thing. Let's see here. So we have 2, 3, this one, maybe it's only encoding 1 thing. Maybe it's like getting the bits from this one and the bits from this one. I'm not too sure. Not sure about that one. Let's see. Because like 190 starts with a 10. 146. Ooh, yeah, 146 has a 10. So maybe these two. You know what? Let's no, that's kind of weird. That's kind of weird. Why would they do that? No, that makes sense. That makes sense. Because you like send less information. Look, anyways, here we have 2 191s. 191, man, what the heck is that one? This is the maximum for the 10. Maximum you can get for 10. and it encodes. God, I keep doing that. Oops. So these encode 63. If I were to. Oh, I remember this. I remember looking at this. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna print out a bunch of these packets. I'm gonna join a server and then look at these packets. So you know what? No. First I'm gonna look at these packets. So the chat packets. That would be kind of nice, right? Okay, so here I was doing some other stuff. This is cool. So I got this, I got memcopy, which isn't that crazy. I got memset. Okay. So here we do the count. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do any of this stuff here. And I'm gonna actually just comment out this here. I'm gonna comment that out. Yeah. Okay. So this is gonna just print out all the package. So that's M, I think. Yep. Okay. So we're gonna print all of those, and if it's, yeah, that's it actually. I think that's all we gotta do. I think that's all we have to do. Alright. Let's check this out. So the total we got, I put right here, was 30. I think we're good to go on that one. Guys, I just want to look at this again because I'm so glad this works. Put some code in here. Thank you, Muscle, for the code. And here's some extra utilities. Memcopy IE to Arrasio memory. Cool. Alright. Here I did this stuff. I don't think we need that. Let's actually take that out. Yeah. Let's not confuse ourselves. We don't need that either. Do not need that. Okay. Alright. We got this stuff. We got some stuff here. Got export nothing. I did this random gibberish. Okay. Poop strings, bro. Poop strings. Poop mother freaking strings, bro. Why is it complaining about this? Alright, guys. I'm gonna. Yeah, just gonna do that stuff. Take a sip of the syrup. Goddamn. Oh, you know what that tastes like? Baby food. That tastes like baby food. Yeah. That's what it tastes like. I remember now. I flipping remember now. Alright. Let's do the proxy. Let's turn on this thing. Let's magic. Okay. Let's go into scripts. Let's do a build, why not? Let's do a build. See if it even works. Okay, it's working. Should I should probably delete these, right? Because we already know that kind of works. We kind of know that works. I'm gonna delete those. Yeah, I'm not gonna delete them. Just gonna comment them out. Just gonna comment it out. Alright. Let's do build. Okay. Okay, alright, let's start it up here. So this should be different now. Right, so here let's go to Arms Race Soccer. Right, and it's only gonna print out the chat packets. Let me say hi to entice people to chat. Let's see what they say. I don't think they're gonna be chatting too much, to be honest. Come on, can someone chat? He said I suck. Okay. Why isn't it working? I said me too, I'm not even shooting. Oh, let's get a kill, why not? Let's get a kill, why not? While we're at it. You know what's actually the best freaking... the crack shot. Look at that. Let's get the crack shot in here. Oh, come on, I was using those traps, man. Alright, so the code's not working. But I don't... Okay, I died. That's my limit right there. I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna go back to this. Okay, so does this say... Yeah, it says Benatter Labs. Glorious. So, did me commenting out this code... Did it actually... not work because of that? What the heck, dude? Wait, let me take my phone out of my pocket, bro, because I got my freaking... Got my goddamn phone in my pocket, bro. Get that out of here. Okay. I think this must not be happening then. Let's change that. So what do we do? 77? If it's enabled, oh, because here I'm doing the second one, right? Here I'm doing the second one. What if, no, hear me out. What if I just call the other code? Yeah, that's a good hear me out. Not gonna lie, that's pretty good. Alright. this one too. I'll do that. Alright, so let's... What the heck? You flipping flip. Okay. So this might work. I was thinking that maybe it wasn't working because, you know, I forgot what this was. Like, why does it print 00? Oh yeah, it was a test. You know, I keep forgetting what things do, and I should probably print out, I don't know. Maybe I should do like a string printer. That would be nice. Yeah, because here, yeah, see here I did some stuff. I did string compare. Yeah, okay. So let's play something better. Let's play Assault. People love to talk on Assault, right? Hi there. Let's do that. Let's get the sniper so we can see all the messages. All the messages are ours. Alright. Let's try to get a message in here. Oh, I didn't even enable it. Okay, there we go. Oh, we got one? Is that what I just... That's what I typed. He said XD. Okay, so I think my message was sent on here too. Let me search this up. So cool, okay. Okay, let's look at the chart. So XD, he said XD, so that's like either 88 or 120. I forgot which one, if it was lowercase. 88 or 120. It's probably this one. XD, because D is 100, right? Is it? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay. Let me get more messages. Let's get more messages, people. Alright. Is this growth assault? I don't think so. I do not think this is growth assault. Look at this guy, I'm juking him. Oh, he's dead. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, it hurts. No. Okay, let's check out this message. So this is 77 to 41. And how, okay, let me look at the chat messages again. Kind of forgot. So it's 240, and then the stuff, and then the message, and then a 1. So this one, 241, 2 things, thing. Yeah, that was my message. That was actually my message. So 195. Huh. 110. Is that a string? Yes, it is. Look at that. Okay. So my packet thing is holding up. My packet theory. Okay. Okay. Let me try something. Is there a FNAF jump scare? Okay, no. I thought I was gonna get a FNAF jump scare, bro. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. Can I change the packets that I send? Because I think in the code, I think Cha-Cha 1, where is it? I think Cha-Cha 1 is for sending and Cha-Cha 2 is for receiving. That's what it looks like. So yeah, okay. I could probably modify that, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie to you. Not gonna lie to you, bruv. Not gonna lie to you, bruvy. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know what I was doing there. Okay, let's do something else. What did I do here? Debug enabled. I did like some breakpoint stuff. And what the heck? What the heck, bro? So here I do some printing. Cool. Okay. So now I'm gonna check if it is this, so 117. You know, I'm gonna try to do the U. I'm gonna try to do capital M, because that should be working. I think that should be working, because it's like a char, you know? Yeah, 77. I'm gonna try it again anyways. Just because I kind of want to try. Oh, what? It closed? Yeah, right, dude. It didn't freaking close. People love arms race. Let's try that one. Ooh, there's probably a lot of chat on this one, right? I mean, it's working. All right. It's working. All right, let's do the lowercase u. This should be a lot more packets. A lot more packet. All right, let's do. Okay. It's not that. Okay, what? Is it not working? 117. What? What do you mean it's not working? What do you mean it's not working? Let's be the quickest. The quickest here. Is okay, that's kind of weird actually. It's kind of weird. Maybe U isn't like the packet we're looking for. Oh, it's still doing 77. Oh, bro, I didn't compile it. I did not compile it. Silly. Alright, of course it doesn't work. Of course it doesn't work. Let's do the. Oh, yes. Okay, that was pretty instant. It's what I thought it would be. Alright, let's not. Let's not do anything for the this one. Let's not do anything. So I'm actually just gonna do this to clear to reset it. So yeah. So this is whatever, reset. And okay. Alright, let's do that. Because I want to make sure that I'm not doing any for myself sending. I want to do only the receiving, because yeah, still a lot of packets, which is expected. I expected that. Alright, so this should be 30 of them. Alright, these are pretty big packets. I want to look for a smaller one, even though they're all pretty much the same size. Yeah, they're all pretty much. All right, let's go with 200, because yeah. I want to convert this to a string. Is there a way to do that? Let's do that. So let's do stores global. Okay. And let's put. Is that really it? Okay, that should be pretty nice. He said defend me, guys. Alright. Oh, whoops. Let me actually do a little. Oh, bob and weave, guys. Okay. Okay, so I copied that. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this into Notepad++. Actually, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna call this update sent received in growth assault, I think. Alright, so here's the packet. Let's do some parsing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Okay, there's a 191. Weird. What is it with this? Was it like that for this? It was. We can see there. Yeah, so there's 3. There's 2, and then there's 240s. We don't have any 240s on this one though. Okay, but it did have. So this one had a 191, and this one had 2 191s. This one only has 1s. This one was in pairs. Okay, it's time to parse. It is time to parse. So we got any 240s in here? Okay, 224, that's something, man. I'm not too sure what that is. Really not sure what that one is. 248, let's look at 248. What does that look like? That's another one. What are the chances this is a special? Looks like a header. I'm thinking pretty good chances, right? Pretty good chances. Also, 191 is seen, is repeated many times. So that I don't really know what that is. We are figuring this out, however. Alright, because this one had 191 twice, right? Is there any reason this would be a thing? 191. Kind of weird. Kind of weird. Okay. 248. That one happens a lot. I think that one could be a header. Yeah, that's probably a header. Let's see if there's any similarity. Yeah, right here. So I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Not really, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe it's not 4. Maybe it's like 3. You know what's happening here? I don't really know, but let me check something. On here, they say there's a few numbers. So what is this for me? It says player U. Oof. Okay, and so there's entities. So it says there would be a number, and then it's like an array of IDs. Okay, so if that were true, that means we would probably have a few 240s in here to encode those IDs, but I don't see those. Do not see those at all. 255. You know what's weird? This right here, 224. And what the heck, dude? What is this sequence? I don't get that one. Also, it has a 130, which is just 2. This could encode 2. Wait, let's... I don't know, because if it's this description, this would be 2. So, no, I don't know. I do not know. 255. Okay. 224. So 224 is probably special. I think 224 is a special one. This probably... I don't know. What do you think? It might be getting this one. This packet. I mean, it might be getting this. So it's like a 1 byte integer? 1 byte? I guess. Let's check that out. So we have 224. Okay, so here's the deal. 248 happens many times in this packet. And I'm really not too sure about that. These packets. Alright, whatever. Let's try another one. So let's do this one. Let's try this out. God dang it. Alright. So let's try this one. So we have the usual 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the usual 255. And we have 191. And there's a 2 here. You know what? Okay, that's interesting. Why did it say 2? Did this one say 2? Yeah. And there's some of this happening. So there's 3 numbers. There was 191s. There's a 4. Okay. Ends in 191. Yeah, and these also ended in 191. Alright. Alright. What's up with this? Oh, alright. So this is 248. So there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 248. 1, 2, 3. 191, 248. 1, 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 191. Ooh. Huh. That's something right there. So maybe 248 is a 3 byte. Is 3 bytes. 1, 2, 3, 1. Weird. Maybe it's a string. You know what? It could be. That'll be weird, right? That might be weird. No, it couldn't be a string because 162 is not even registered on here. Why would you want that? Maybe it's an array. Yeah, maybe this is like 241. 248 is like a raw. It's like an array. A binary array. Nah, bro. What? This is kind of weird. Okay, let's take a look at this. So what if it was 3? Right. This is actually making sense. This looks pretty good, right? 248 is 3 numbers, 198, which is known to be like separating 2 things. And then we have 177. So, ooh, yeah, so this could be a string. So yeah, this could be a string, so let's do that. So 11001 is 49, right? Okay, that's pretty big. I kind of doubt that would be the string because there's a lot of characters. There's a lot of bytes in here that go above the ASCII limit. So you know what? This could be just a string. Nah, it happens more times though, so that's kind of weird. What is this? Let's check that out again. What? 177. It's 10. Huh. I mean, what? It could be. Oh, well, it's not a string. That's 2 ones. So 1 1 would be an integer. Maybe an integer. Not too sure about that one. Alright. Right. So this would be potentially just an integer because it looks kind of weird. This one, oh, there we go. We got the 3 ones. 3 ones again. I don't know. I don't think I have an entry for that. 3 ones. So this is, so 177 is potentially 49. Right, its potential encode is 49. Not too sure about that one. 239 is looking pretty sussy. Pretty sussy. Pretty much pretty sussy. And it happens a few times. So I don't know about that. You know what, maybe, okay. Maybe it's just 15? No, right? Because there's like a 1 here. That just throws it off for me. It just throws it off. Just not. Look at that, bro. What? 248? Okay. Yeah, that's the deal. I don't know which. Oh, 248. Wait, isn't it? Yeah, that was the one. Because here's a 1. Oh, I see. I see. Alright, let's start separating it. Let's start separating these. Let's start separating these. 248. Okay, is this whatever that is gonna be equal to? We have a 191. 248. Oh, wow! Look at that. That's a long string of gibberish. Maybe. What's 184? Look at that. It's one whatever. Okay, so this is probably whatever that is. So this is 191. That's good. Bro, what is it with the 191? They keep using this. This is kind of weird. This is kind of weird here. Maybe it's just a number that they use a lot by chance somehow. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Cause no, bro, it can't be chance. This is weird. Alright, let's just keep going here. So we got 248, 1, 2, 3, 248, 1, 2, 3, 248 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This means something, right? This is like, has to mean something. I don't know. This type of stuff happens here a lot. It's like 1, 248, and 1. Not really though. The 248. There's a 19 here. I mean, that's what it is. That is whatever it is there. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright, that was pretty structured right there. This is the last part. It just has a bunch of 248s. And it seems to encode some type of array here, maybe? These seem to be variable length. Just kind of weird, man. This just kind of weird right there. I'm not too sure. Huh. So maybe this. I don't know, bro. Cause sometimes cause here it says like 16. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. This seems to be okay. 191 though. That's yep. That's weird. I do not know about this. Okay. 191. Nah, bruh. This one is very similar. Not gonna lie to you. Not gonna lie to you there. What if I do a thing where it'll only do it for the selection? So all the 248s will be replaced with 248. Great. Great. Okay, that's some good pre-processing right there. Good pre-processing. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so just looking at these, these, I don't know. Huh, 248. Now that I'm looking at it like this, these seem to be like counting up. Like 248, bro, that's just a weird one. And these are like the same length. These are almost exactly the same. And there's like a bunch of ones here. There's a bunch of numbers within a certain range. 161. Huh. Okay. Let's try that out. Let's try to look at it like that. Let's do that. So let's look at it from the 248 perspective. And let's see about that. Alright. Alright, let's look at this one. Very similar. Very, very similar. So there's a lot of this stuff happening. Okay. So on my thing here, it says 240. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get another packet, but I'm gonna turn on the. I'm gonna turn on the this thing. I'm gonna do it before I enter the server, just so I can get all the packets, and I want to see a variety. Okay, so okay, so there's a big one here. I'm going to use this one, and after that I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to use those two. So that's pretty big right there. This might take a second. Might take a second to process. Yeah, so I'm thinking, okay, yeah, because this has a lot of 240s. A lot of 240s. I'm gonna actually do this one first, cause yeah. So this one had 2 zeros to start with, and this did not have 2 zeros to start with. Right? You know, I should probably categorize these. I mean, oh, hello there. How are you? I think I recognize you from the last stream or something. Maybe, I don't know, one of the streams, maybe. Yeah, bro. I'm trying to figure out this packed stuff. Oh, you weren't? Oh well. I see. The name looked familiar. Yeah, man. These packets. I'm trying to figure out how the packets are decoded, man. Yeah, I gotta see about this. I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna do the shorter one. Cause I am from Florida, the United States. It is raining. I'm from Miami, actually, if I can say that. Where do you hail from, Nexa? Where are you from? You in the US? Oh, you're in India? Nice, nice. You do any programming over there? Oh, really? Okay. Okay, okay. What do you do? Are you like studying for it? You doing any college for that? Oh, Python. Python's good. Python's good. I've been using Python. I got a big. I've added a bunch of code here. It's a giant script now. Oh, I see. Yeah. Well, yeah, man. Yeah. Well, nice. Okay, let me see. Bro, I wish I had a program that could, like, I don't know, like, do this for me. Because there's so many. Okay, this packet doesn't have any 255s. I don't know. Oh, hello there. There's another person. Okay, okay. Alright, I'll keep going, Alright, let me see. So there's no 255s. Your math is bad, so you stop learning Python. What? Bro, no, you're good. You don't need too much math for programming. It's not that crazy. You just need persistence. That's all I'll say. As long as you keep doing it, you'll make something cool. You do something with it, or not. And that's, yeah. You do something with it or not. Oh, okay. No, it's all good, man. I'll ignore it. I'll ignore it. Okay, so there's a bunch. There's some 248s in here. Bro, these are so weird. I think I can do this also. Bruh, these look super. Looks like they have a pattern, like the 248s. I don't know, man. I'm gonna keep looking at it. Let me see. Yeah, man, sure. Actually, I don't use social media that much, not gonna lie. But I don't know, I could send you like I think I have Discord. I'm trying editing. Bro, I hope you, let's see if you do it. Do you like making cinematic videos or like that type of stuff? Do games? Recently, I haven't actually played too many games. Like this is what I've been doing as my hobby. Like I just been doing some programming. Yeah, I used to play more games though. Like I used to play Minecraft a lot. I still think about it. I still think about it. Okay, this is so similar to the previous. Okay, also I think I'm gonna do this. You play any games, my good friend here? You play any Minecraft? What do you guys play in India? Is it oh, I see. Trying all things. Bro, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. Dude, right now I'm unemployed, so don't even feel bad if if you don't do anything. Yeah. I'm doing this right now. You play Minecraft, GTA, Valorant, Tekken. Nice. Nice. I used to play a lot of Minecraft. All I know from Tekken is you just mash all the buttons and you might win. that's how I know about Tekken. In Valorant, dude, like I'm not really a big fan of that, like games like that, like what's it called? Valorant, like Team Fortress 2. Yeah, I think I get that a lot. CS:GO. Nah. It's those types of games. Dude, I don't like those games. Cause I'm not too competitive. So yeah, that's kind of why I like Minecraft. Cause you kind of just do whatever you want. But on CS:GO and like Valorant stuff, I'm not too into it. Palace World. I've heard of that game. It looks nice. It looks like isn't that the freaking? Let me search that up actually. Wait, isn't that the game where there's guns and yeah. No, I remember this game. It's like the Pokemon. It's like Pokemons and guns. Nah, I saw my friend play this. It was so funny. This game was funny. I remember when it came out, people were saying it's just Pokemon with guns. And I was like, what? Why would they make that? And you could have like what's it called? Labor, you know? You can make them do stuff. And I was like, that's so funny. That game is kind of silly, but yeah, man. Nah, I'm not too big. I might get into games. I don't know. Right now I'm not too into it. I'm just doing this mostly. It's mostly this, bro. Recently I've just been doing this in YouTube. Bam. Dude, I have I kind of forgot the exact one. I think it's an AMD CPU. It's like Radeon. It was gifted to me. Right. gracious for that. Yeah, Radeon RX 580. I don't know about that, but yeah, it's been doing me. It's been doing me well. I could play Minecraft with shaders, and yeah. So you got a. What GPU do you have, sir? Are you a glorious PC gamer? Master PC race, as they say. Oh, I see. 8 gigs DDR4. Is that the GPU RAM, I think? Oh, you don't have? Oh, I see, I see. Do you want to get one? Cause I see you're into games, right? So you just have the integrated graphics, I'm assuming. I see. Do you have a? Is it a good laptop, or like do you like it? Your laptop, or whatever you have. Oh. Dude, this looks so structured. Nice. Oh, dude, do you watch anime? Have you seen Jujutsu Kaisen? I remember watching that. That was a good one. Yo! So you've seen Jujutsu Kaisen? Yeah, my favorite character is Sukuna. He be slashing. He be slashing. Vinland Saga. Dude, I've only seen clips. I heard it's really good though. Like the second season, or like the last one. I've seen it, like he like grows up or something. The blonde dude. He's like, I have no enemies. I have no enemies. That's a nice show. Oh, have you seen Hunter x Hunter? That's my top show. Real freaking Gon. Gon goes crazy in that show. He goes crazy. He fights an ant. Oh, that's nice. That's nice, man. Yeah, that's the joy of having the internet and stuff. Naruto? Yes, I've watched Naruto. I have a poster actually. It's my brother's poster. Let me show. It's a giant poster. Dude, is Sakura was annoying me that whole show. I was like, what is she doing? Ah, dang. Damn. How is it over there? It's like, isn't that nice? Damn, bro. I hope you get that PC then. I hope you enjoy the PC. Dude. Yeah, so I hope that thing goes well for the freelancing. That'll be good, man. Okay. Dude, there's a lot of this things here. I do have Discord, but I've not been using social media recently. But But yeah, I don't know. I can give you my Discord. How do you even do that on YouTube? Is that a thing? Let me see. Oh, I was gonna find if there's a private message. I don't know. I think I just posted. Alright, hold up. Okay, I'm gonna open Discord. You think I send you boarding school? Brody. Yeah, okay. Alright, let me open Discord. Alright. I'm afraid of opening up my private messages to the internet. Okay. Wait, it's opening. Alright. Let's see. Alright, man, I'm just gonna put my Discord in the chat, because why not? Why the flip not? Where do I... Forgot how to use Discord. How do I get my ID? Oh, I think it's my username, yes. Yes. Okay, wait, I have streamer mode enabled. No, I don't want to show it. I just put my username, right? Alright, let's see. Okay. Alright, here we go. So, minuscule Doge. Okay, well, that is my Discord. That should be it. I think I should make a... Oh, I think I see your friend request here. Yes, Mr. Kamlesh. I'm gonna send a wave. Yo, man. Yeah. Alright. I see you. Ian. Is that how you say Ian? Ian? Okay. Oh, I see my Discord popped up on the stream there. That's funny. Okay. I'm gonna continue this packet stuff. Dude, should I make a Discord server? I'm thinking about it now. I'll make it later. Let me see. Yeah. No, definitely I'm like, people got it worse than me. You know, I have a bed to sleep in. I have food to eat every day. I wake up. I have a computer. I'm studying college. I'm in college, but I'm doing online college, so it's even nicer for me to do it like that. So yeah, I'm definitely grateful for that. I know it's not so... Not everybody has it like I do. So yeah. But yeah, I saw your Discord thing, man. Yeah, you gotta work hard, man. Or not, you know, I'm not, do what you want, alright? Just do what you want. No. No, yeah. No, trust me, I'm grateful. Trust me, brother, trust me. Okay. Okay, man, I'm not understanding this. Like, this is pretty structured. Okay, I'm gonna look at the larger package. Alright, I think these are like chunks of information right here. Chunks. Because these seem to be like similarly sized. Kinda. No, I did sleep. I'm gonna sleep after this live stream though. I woke up kinda early, but it's only like 9:20 p.m. over here. No, dude, from AI. I'm kinda scared of AI, dude. I don't know how to... I don't trust it. I don't know. Damn, 6 a.m. Did you sleep over there? Are you supposed to be asleep right now? Or nah? I might use AI. I don't know. I kind of don't trust it. I'm trying to build my... I don't know. My own skills. Oh, you should. You know, sleep does your body good. That's what I'm told. Bro, what is this, man? Okay, so this is definitely like... This is like structured, man. $2.55. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bruh. No, that's true. I know. You can fix it. I mean, okay. Look, I'll probably ask it. All right, let me go ask it. Let me think. Let me think of a question. Okay, because what I'm trying to do right now, I'm just trying to understand this 248. Let me see. All right, let me copy it. I'm gonna put this one. All right, let's do ChatGPT. All right, I'm gonna say hi, GPT. Here is a packet, an intercepted packet from the game. Whoops, online game Arrasio. Okay. It is... I'll say it's a list of bytes of each byte 117 is the packet header. I'm trying to figure out the rest though. Let's see. I'm not making a game, but I am trying to make a mod for the game. So like I'm doing this game. I'm doing it for the game called Arrasio. It's like a tank. It's a tank game. Oh. It's broken. It's broken. Yeah. I used to play these games when I was younger as well. Like bullet hell games. I like it. You can choose a tank. Alright, let's pick one. I already know what tank I want. I play this. I used to play this a lot. But now I'm making a mod for it, so I've been actually playing it less. So yeah. But let me see. So I'm gonna go down actually. I'm gonna play a little Arrasio. You know, why don't I just, yeah, let's just go full screen. Alright. Yeah, there's different game modes. Oh, okay, I died. I'm pretty sure I died. Yeah, dude. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, there's like a mini map as well. Oh, you can barely see it. There we go. Yeah, man, there's like mini map and stuff. I kind of don't like. Okay, let me go down to the bottom. I'm actually curious. Oh, you will try it? Nice, nice. Let me see. Oh, okay. Never mind. We just won this game. I see. I see here. Oh, that's why that guy said lol. Oh. Okay. Got it. Got it. Elden Ring. I have, and it makes me angry still. Then I stop playing. Like I get frustrated because I can't beat the boss. So then I just quit. I'm like, goddamn. My brother has it, and then he let me play it a little bit, and then yeah, that's what happened. I feel like I should be playing that though, not gonna lie. RDR. I'm not familiar with RDR. Is that wait, Red Dead Redemption? Yo, actually, yeah, I did play that. I played the I think I played like the first one. I would play it a lot with my cousin when I was younger. Yeah, dude, that was awesome. That game is so fun. You just go around, I don't know, doing nonsense. You find like a horse or something. My favorite part was exploring and just like doing random stuff. Yeah. You play that game? RDR. Or nah. Wait, do you have a console? No. I have a, well, I do have I have a console, but my brother got it, but yeah, I don't really use it at all. Yeah, we don't really use it. We got it to play I don't know, we have a PS4 and a Nintendo. Oh, I see. So you played Red Dead 2. I see. Like you played it in the past and you had the GPU. I know. Yeah. Dude, that kind of sucks, man. What happened to the GPU? Did you, did it just die or something? Or it stopped working? Goddamn. Goddamn, bro. Nah, that sucks, man. Zam. Zamathy. Yeah, that's never fun. When you have, you got expensive stuff and, you know, it stops working. It's like, what the heck? What the heck, man? I was using that. What did I copy? I think I copied this one. Let me see. Let me see. Oh my goodness. What is it doing? Wait, is this actually, I think I modified it maybe. 248, 191. Oh my god, it's actually giving me like a hypothesis. Yo, global values. If I'm present here, can you show how your Tree Road houses? What, like the like the inside of my house, kind of like a house tour or something? Or like the outside? Probably not. Not gonna lie. I mean, I could maybe on my phone, cause I'm just streaming off my computer, and it's like stuck to my webcam, and I don't know. I got like a window. Let me see. I gotta take a picture probably. Or, I don't know. No, the spelling's fine, bro. You're good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good, Brody. But I can show you what it kind of looks like. I live in a. It looks like this. It's not. Okay, let me see. Let me look for a similar. Mine kind of looks like this. Not gonna lie, it looks kind of like this. I live in a townhouse, So it looks like this looks very similar, to be honest. Yeah, except there's not too much grass up here. I don't really have a long front. Yeah. Nah, bro, no. Nah, yeah. It's I'm blessed to live here, man. Things could be worse, you know. I know things could be worse. What is it worse over there? You know, is your house is there a lot of people? Is it crowded or something? Is it crowded? Oh, I see. Oh, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Oh yeah, dude. Oh, that's a good idea from ChatGPT. Oh, okay. End of section marker. Oh my goodness, I think it's actually doing good. Huh. Hold on. Oh, not really. This one doesn't have a 191. But this is good though. This could be like the entity type. I'm not too sure actually. Yeah, not too sure. Not too sure about that one. It's kind of weird. Cause why? Like what? And it does seem to be by threes. Like it's like 3 numbers, and then the 4th number is like, I don't know. It's always different. I see. Bro, if you want to, you can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you, bro. You can do it. If you really want to, you can get it done, you know? You work towards it. You gotta do what you gotta do. You make a plan. If your plan doesn't work, you make another plan, or you try again. You know? I believe in you, my man. What? You can't leave? Why not? Is it cause... I don't know. I mean, it could be a little hard, you know? But... that just makes it better, you know? If something's hard and you do it... Oh, I see. Oh, are they stopping you? Are they like really tough on that? Yeah. It could be like that, not gonna lie. What are they like, are they like really like traditional or something? Like, you have to be here and you have to, I don't know, serve the family, or else. That's a thing. Yeah. Yeah, what can you expect? Nah, I understand, dude. No shade on my parents, but yeah, my parents are kind of traditional and like family oriented, but yeah, man. That's all I got to say about that. It can be tough. It can be tough with the parents. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like, they're strict, you know, they want you to do something. They want your life to be a certain way. But look, I will say I think they're just looking out for you. You know, because if I was a parent, you know, I would want my kid to maybe be successful in a way, right? So I'll be like, hey, like, make a lot of money, or do this or do that. Exactly, yes. So that's the problem, right? There's a conflict. So you should do the things. Do what you want, man. Just do it. Do it. Just do it. Screw it. You don't have to be a doctor or a lawyer. I mean, you said you didn't want to anyways, so yeah. You don't have to. Try all the things. Try all the things. That's what I suggest. Just try it out. You're young, right? So you just boom, just do it. Yeah. Yeah, that's how. Yep. Now we're back to the cycle, right? Because you need money, but to get money, you gotta work hard, brother. You gotta do it. Well, yeah. See, I believe in you, dude. I believe in you. I believe in you, bro. Get dash money. Get that PC. Yep. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's see. Okay, so ChatGPT gave me some ideas. Entity section. Oh, there's more here. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. Hmm. 191. Huh. Bro, what is the deal with this? This is something right here. Alright, what? It could be these two. Whoops. 231. 208. Oh, 208 has 2 ones. That could be a string, right? Could that be a string? Where is that thing? I think I just missed it. Yeah. Basically, I mean, I've been doing it more, probably 10 years by now, just because. Yeah, I found it when I was a kid. Like, I was in middle school when I started programming, but yeah, I started on Java. That was my first programming language. Bro, this. I do not entirely get this. You know what, dude? Okay, so 248. What's the deal with this? You will also try with the. You try programming? It's cool. I like programming. $161. I'm trying to figure these out. Bro, the problem is that these are. There's another one here. It has a lot more stuff in it. Apparently. The ones that start with 248. Oh, there's some 240s here. Okay, that could be interesting. Okay, I see. Alright, yeah. I remember that. Yeah, man. I mean, you actually, yeah, you do need some math at least. I am math inclined. I'm a math inclined person. Alright, we got 240. You know, this is actually good because the 240. This big packet can give us some more information. Oh my god. This packet's really big though. 240. This one's a little weird. I don't know about that. Dude, here's the freaking. Yeah. Kind of. It gave me some ideas. These things here. It could be. These numbers here could mean some sort of ID. Yeah, I'm not. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna look at that actually. So when it's 33, yeah, that actually makes sense. Yeah. So when it's 32, these two are like the same-ish. The 191s though, this is weird. That's weird. And here's like 32 in here as well. What the heck? What the heck, dog? I'm gonna ask. Should I put the large one? I'm gonna put the large one. Why not? Okay, put the large one, and I'm gonna remove I'm gonna remove all the new lines with nothing. I hope that works, right? No. Doesn't work. Please. Please work. Why doesn't it work? Alright, whatever. I just put it. Yep. It's alright. I mean, I'm doing online college. So it's alright. I just do my homework every single day. And then yep. Just trying to get through it. It's alright. I like learning about I like learning the programming stuff though. Those are my favorite classes. I pay extra attention in those classes. So I think I should remove all the new lines. Yeah, I don't want to confuse ChatGPT. Yeah, I'm pretty much kind of enjoying this. Yeah, I like to do this. I'm kind of a sciencey. I tend to like do science related stuff, like that kind of stuff, like science, math. So programming is kind of like a natural choice for me to do. It's got some good stuff. Dude, how do I freaking... Oh, there we go. Oh. Can I not match the new line on here? You know, I have something better. Here, I'll just do this. Bro. I'm just gonna use this. Please load. It's so laggy. Nah, it's all good. Dude, I did it because I'm just lazy. That's why I did it. I'm a lazy individual, man. I'm a lazy individual. Cause to go, like, I didn't want to go. Like, I wanted the freedom to be able to like not have to go to like a physical building, so I can do college as long as I have internet, I guess. So that's just appealing to me. So yeah, man, I switched to that. It worked out better for me. It worked out better for me. Because I'm not a very disciplined dude. So, like with my time, I'm not very good at managing time, my own time. So doing that was actually helping me out to focus more in school. Yeah, man. I'm pretty introverted. Dude, so you're going to boarding school? Is that too crazy? Do you want to do that or no? Bro, this... I keep forgetting how to do this. Is this... Yeah. Is this... Okay. Replace new line. Strip. Oh, come on. Oh, there's extra spaces. My goodness. What do I do? Is it tab? Is it tab? Oh yeah, they're tabs. There. Alright, ChatGPT. Code execution successful. Okay, study here, not good schools. Damn, okay. I see how it is, I see how it is. Oh, so you have to... Because it's not good schools. So like the schools don't have like a good reputation, kind of. I see. Damn, bruh. Dude, let me tell you. I I picked an online school, and I think I actually downgraded. Like I downgraded. I was going to a physical university, and I think that one was better than the online school that I'm in right now. But I would like willingly downgraded just because of the reasons I said. Like I just didn't. Like, I'm just lazy. I'm straight up lazy. So I did that. I don't know what's gonna happen on that. Let's see. Okay. Chat GPT. Oh, I see. Timestamp? Global header section. What? Camera position? Bro, I don't know about that. That seems weird. That seems weird. 191. What the heck, dude? Oh, hold up, 012? Alright. That's actually pretty cool. ChatGPT's getting some stuff here. Often right after a short record. Oh, that makes sense. End of group, end of subgroup. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that actually makes sense. That actually makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta prompt them a certain way. I try to give them as much relevant information as I can, and that's my mindset on that. What is this? Huh. Yo, this is pretty cool. Alright, let's see. Ooh, 16-bit floats. Wow, okay. Okay, ChatGPT with the niche knowledge. 240, 63, 255. That's suspiciously similar to how 16-bit floats. You know, I got no idea how 16-bit floats are encoded. Let's search that up. Let's search it up. You know what? Does that make sense? Okay. Wait, first I'm gonna look at this. What is this? 8? This is 16 bits. Fraction. Okay, what does it say? The format is assumed to have an implicit lead bit. That's only 10 bits. Okay. I don't want to ask him. I'm scared to ask him. I gotta prove my human intelligence. I have a grudge against artificial intelligence. It has to be human. Alright, let me see this though. So a small positive number near 1 in binary. Is there a website that actually does that? How about that? How about that? I found one. Can I put my own here and it'll like change it? Ooh, cool. Alright. There we go. Alright, let's see. Oh. Interesting. Yeah, 3F8. Yeah, well, it starts at 3F. Let me try that. Let me try that one out. Let me try that one out. Let's type these out. So it's like all of them except the first 2. And what's this first one? 0F. It's F0. It's the first ones. Oh, that's this one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first. Yeah. I'm just trying to make sure I understand this, like how it works. Oh, it even tells there's a thing here. You know, why don't I just put the hexadecimal? Let me just put the hexadecimal. I got this. And this. I don't know. Yeah, that's a tiny number. Huh, it actually did. I'm kinda. Let me see. Okay, yeah, so that's a tiny number. That's very interesting. So 240. So it's suggesting that this is a float, perhaps? Yes. Yeah, I'm listening to no copyright music. Just some generic, just something I found on Spotify. F80. Hmm. 32-bit floats. Yeah. $32-bit floats. Oh, that, you know, that would explain the 255s being everywhere. Real numbers. Yes, I'll say yes, please. Yes, please, ChatGPT. Here are the two versions. This one has a snake emoji and this one has a puzzle piece emoji. Oh, this is a script and this is not a script. Alright, man. Peace out. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. Good night to my fellow viewer. Alright. Peace out. Oh. Cool. Cool. Yeah, me too. Yeah. Dude, that's partially why I'm live streaming. No, you too, man, you too. I hope you have a wonderful night or day. Oh no, it's day for you. Yeah. Okay, so what is this? What? Yeah. Yeah. Peace out, man, peace out. Peace out for real, not for real. What is this? What is... Oh. Should I actually read this code? Should I actually read this? Dude, I do not want to accept this code, bro. But I think I might. Interpret floats. Dude, I think I'm just gonna do it manually. That's the way I'm gonna go. I don't want that code. But this is good though. So it says it splits by 248 and 191. Let me see that actually. 248. So 248 looks like this. And 191 is like that. Okay. Let's see if what it was saying was true. So if we have two 191s, I don't know. It's saying that's like an end of a section. That isn't really. I don't know about that. I don't know about that one. You know what, guys? Let me actually change the chat right now, because the chat, it's not fully. It's like the bottom isn't entirely like whatever, you know. Oh, there we go, I fixed it. Get fixed. Get fixed. Alright, there we go. Okay. Alright, Mang. Alright, Mang. So, yeah, I think by looking at these, I'll be able to see something here. So, the 248. We have a lot of those. which is probably a packet header thing of some type. We have this. Do these even follow like a pattern? Like, does it actually just encode? I don't know. Dude, like, what is the deal? Like, here it says there's like 00, 231, 208. 231, 208. Oh my god. Oh! Gotta take a sip of the banana nectar. Alright. Oh my god, dude. Because look at this one. I don't know about this. Maybe this really does encode like a float. But then why are all these starting with like 33? Like, I don't know about that one, dude. I don't know about that one. Okay, anyways, so a float would be oh. I think I was right. Because I remember in the beginning I said, you know, I said it was three numbers, right? Oh, okay, I'm so ready to figure this out. Alright. So we have 33, 29, 228. Right? Let me do a quick thing here. Let's take that out. Let's put it to hex. Commas. Nope, that's not what I meant. Come on, man. What is this? Can we do from decimal, please? Commas. Okay. So here is one of these. Yeah, it's like a tiny number. It's a teeny tiny number. Okay. You know, hold on. How many? What is this? Is this all of these here? Let's look at the formats. Oh, this is what I wanted. What the? Yeah. There is different stuff here. Oh my god, binary 256. 32 bytes. It's only 16 bits. Alright. So... Bro, I got like a crank in my neck, dude. Got a freaking crank in my neck. Let's just look at this. I'm a little bored. So... yeah. There's an algorithm here. Cool. Whatever. Alright, let's put this back. And... so apparently this is a tiny, teeny, tiny number. These three here. And I'm suspecting these three are going to be the same. Maybe. Alright. Let's check this out. So we got 3... 1, 2, 3. Let's look at this one. This one looks a little different. I want to see what this turns out to be. It's not too different. It's like the same thing. Dude, what? So it's just near 0. So 248 is a 3 byte float? What is that? 3 bytes? That's this one, right? Am I crazy? Is 32? No, yeah, it's 4 bytes. What? There is no 3 byte float. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, maybe it's not 3 then. Maybe it's 4. You know, that would actually make sense, not gonna lie, because yeah, that would just make sense. Alright, let's put let's try this out. Let's try this. Ooh, this one has the 191. Alright, let's convert this and see if that turns into anything. So this is still a very small number. Alright. Still a very small number. So maybe this 191 was just by chance to be in this floating point number. Yeah. Oh my god, whoops. Whoops. Okay. So I didn't know about that. The floating point numbers. Those are a thing. Those are definitely a thing. So yeah, here's just I don't know what these. Don't know what those last things do. Look at that. These are only changing by this number. So that's a tiny number as expected. Let's try out this one. So this one is like 5.3 e negative 19. This is 5.4. Okay. Alright. It's like the same thing. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I just wanted to try that out. Okay, so the deal with this is variable length. Yeah, because this has like 3. Like if this was to encode a float, why does this have 3 things in it then? Like, nah, bro. And some of these, they're not all like that. This has 2. This has like a 1 here. This has like a 184. So, no clue about that. No clue. You know, what if it's 6 bytes for the floating point? That would be kind of weird. No, that doesn't make sense, right? Nah. Because what is going on here? Like, what is this? 0, 21. I mean, these are just a bunch of numbers. I've got no clue what this means. There's a lot of 191s, bro. What is the deal with that? What is the deal with that, bro? What is the deal with that, bro? Okay, let's do something. So after the 191s, let's just put enter. So, oh yeah, okay. That's this whole packet. Oh my god. Dude, I got a freaking... Oh, I got a neck cramp thing. Guys, this isn't all bad, alright? It tastes like syrup. It tastes like syrup. Dude, why am I complaining? This is as good as it gets. Alright, that's what I'll do. No, that's still negative. What if do I have anything positive to say about this? I like the can design. I like how it tastes. Kind of. Tastes like banana. So, I like bananas. Alright. Dude, like what? This is so structured. 3, 1, 3. Why? Why is it like this? Alright, let's try to look at the difference. So the one that has 3 has a 188. Let's ooh, it starts with the 10. Maybe it's an encoded int. Maybe it's encoded. Alright, what about 191? Oh my god, 191. Alright, let's look around. Huh. Bro, but what's with this? 171. It's another one. Huh. Huh. Excuse me. What's the 27? Yeah. I don't know. I think if it's 10, I think if it starts with 10, it just I don't know. Maybe it doesn't mean anything. Maybe it just means it is encoded just how it is. Like you treat the whole thing as an integer, not just the 6 bytes. I mean the 6 bits. But I don't know about that. I don't know. The reason I said this was because of this one, I think. No, yeah. Wait, hold up. I have no evidence for this one. Why did I write this one down? This one makes sense because I saw a string thing. Okay. But this one, I don't think I've seen this at all. So this doesn't really... I don't know why I have that to be a thing. So 248 is like 4 bytes. Let's look at 231. Let's look at that. So 231, 208. What is the deal with that 208? Starts with 2 1s. Oh, I lost the thing I was playing with. Oh no, it's still here. Bro, I have like a little plastic and I'm like playing with it. Come on. I need to freaking fish it out of my keyboard, dude. It didn't fall in the keyboard, but alright, there we go. This is what I'm talking about. It's a black plastic. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, 191 happens a lot. Alright, I think I'm ready to tackle the large packet. So let's look at this. So 248, with my new information, it probably encodes 4 bytes, right? So we have 248. 230. Yeah, ooh, 248 and 238. That means something, right? Why did I do that? You know what? Isn't 255? Oh, never mind. It's 225. Okay. 240. Okay, 240 is a thing. So I'm gonna let that be. Wait, 248. What? Okay, 240 is 63, 255. I don't know about this, bro. 255, is that actually... I don't know. I said it might have been a 4-byte thing here. I don't know what this is. Okay, let's... Right, I don't know, bro. That would be kind of weird. Like 4 bytes? Alright, let's just try it out. Maybe it's a float. Let's put this here. And let's see what that equals. It's a very large, very small. Is that how you say that? Very large negative number? Yeah, whatever. It's, yeah, e to the 18th. Not negative 18th. Wait, is that how that works? Bro, what do you mean? So that's such a huge number. If this were a float, it would be a huge number. And negative. Okay. So what if it was... I don't know. Would it be an integer then, or just be an int? That's kind of a crazy int. Is there an online thingy? Yeah, whatever. Let's just do this. Let's try to get this thing. Oh man, I was trying to do. It's what the heck? Oh yeah, decode. Oh my god, can you put this in decimal, please? What the heck is punch tape? Yo, that's pretty cool. Dude, I low-key want to learn how to program in punch tape because my science teacher in high school told me he did that. Like, he used to do that. He said he was from Cuba, and he used to do that in Cuba. Like, he was a scientist or something. Like, he would program stuff. He said there was, what's it called? He made a joke, and he said that, like, you had to spend your whole night or, like, days, like, you know, punching holes in a lot of cards, and then laying them in order, and then showing up to the computer lab, like, with it in your hand, or, like, in a case or whatever, a little thing, And if anybody like bumped into you by accident, there goes all your work. it's like spread out everywhere. And he said he made that joke, and I was like, what? That sucks. I thought that was kind of funny too, though. I was like, damn. That would be kind of funny, but that would suck really hard, though. Okay. Bro, okay, because here's the thing. Here I see 255 is a thing. Let's actually press enter on 191. But bro, 240, 225. You know what? I'm convinced 225 probably encodes 1 byte in front of it. Oh, is that? I'm onto something. I'm telling you guys, I'm onto something. Because this has a 1, right? So if it starts with 3 ones, if it starts with 110, right? And you know, the number here probably is how many bytes to encode. I'm good, guys. I'm good. I don't know if that's true or not. Whatever I just said there, but maybe. You know what? I have to test that. I have to test that hypothesis. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let me try to figure that out. So we have 225, right? Which is this. 226 would be the next one. Okay. Oh. Alright, 228 is another one. Okay, that just happened. You know what? I'm actually gonna go up here. I'm gonna go up here. Okay. So where does it start? The first one is 225 for that type of packet. So it's 225 and oh my god, I keep doing that. So the biggest would be 239, and the smallest is 225. Alright, so 239. Alright. So that's not that. So this, wait, hold on. If that were true, then this one would encode. Bruh. This would encode 1110, 14 bytes in front of it. This one. Here's a 255. So you know what that means. Well, no, hold up. 240s here, which might consume 2 bytes. So could be these two. Bruh, it's here as well. 240. Huh. 240, 63, 255. So that actually repeats multiple times. So that's, bro, but 248 though. I thought I just got done saying that it's 4 bytes, but it might be 4 or 3 bytes. I'm not too sure. Not too sure about that. ChatGPT was convincing me with the floating point encoding. Dude, it could be 3 bytes though, I'm not gonna lie to you. It could be 3 bytes. Let's look at this again. 248, bro. 3 bytes. That is so weird. Why do we need 3 bytes, dude? 3 bytes. What could you possibly encode with that? Like, what would you want with 3 bytes? Like, no. It doesn't make sense, brother. What? It doesn't make sense. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT. Let's, what are some common codings for 3 that use 3 bytes? Let's just see this. 24-bit integer. Alright. I mean, alright. Color. Okay. That is true. That actually, yeah, that's actually, huh. Shut the hell up, dude. Shut the hell up, ChatGPT. Because on here, it did say there was a color. There's a color thing. So, you know what? It could be that. Could be that. 3 bytes. Fixed point. Okay. I don't really know about what this is. You can do this. It's not a formal format, apparently. Yeah, it's not. Triplets. Yeah, that's weird. That's kind of weird. 10 bits, 4 bits. Position delta as an integer. Could have flag. The last one could be flags. So it could be 3. Could be 3. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. So it's an unsigned integer then, right? With 3 bytes. That would that make sense? Or would that actually make sense? Because 32-bit, right, is 4 bytes. So that's actually, that makes sense. I mean, 4 bytes also makes sense, but yeah, okay, so maybe it's 3 bytes. Maybe it's 3, because look at that. It has a 191 here. I was thinking about it. And the 4th byte here just looks like it might be kind of weird right there, so. And there's like 1s here, dude. Like, what is that about? What is that about? Alright, let's let that be. So there's a 3 here. Okay, so we have 3 bytes, so that's 248. Could potentially be 3 bytes. Yeah. Alright. Okay. So let's mark that down. A, B, C. Three or 4 bytes. Yeah, not too sure. Not too sure about that one. Not too sure about that one. Huh, so 191 happens a lot. 167. So here it does, it happens twice. So it's like 1, 2, 1, 2. Huh. Huh. Let's figure that out. So, you know what? One of these two could encode for the start of the 191s. 231 or 208? Let's look at that. 231. 208. 231. Let's check that out. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Interesting. So this could, like, a 231 could encode these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like 231, whatever. That's interesting. That could be a thing, maybe. If that were the case, it would be starting with 3 1s, which I don't have that yet, so that could be a legitimate possibility right there. This is kind of weird though, because yeah, it's just kind of weird. That's a weird thing to do. Alright, let's look for, okay, because what is this right here? 2080. 208? Nah, bro, nah. It has a 1 here. 16, so it's, this could be 16. Like, what? Maybe this could be 208 or like 16. What does it have? 2 zeros in the beginning? It has 2 zeros in the beginning. Wait, isn't that a thing already? Yeah, I mean 2 1s. Length 16 string. Yeah, right. That's not. This isn't a length 16 string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Nah, I doubt it. I really doubt it. Oh, the 231 probably. Huh, that probably does something to cancel that out, right? It says like 7. 3 1s in the beginning. Dang, bro. Dang. Anyways, let's look at the 191. These are doing something. This has 191, 191. Oh my god. So this is I don't know. I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to put a place to the 191s, cause what's up with that, man? 191. Is there a thing with this? It was like 248, right? 3 bytes. And then we got 3, and then suspicious Oh, you know what? That looks that's a pattern right there. It's actually a pattern. It's actually a pattern. So the pattern is that it has a small number, two big numbers, and then a small number. And that happens right here. Let's follow that. So that has data in between. Oh, I see. Okay, wait. So 190, what is that? It starts with 1. 231 starts with 3 ones. So I'm not too sure about the encoding of that. Dang, brother. Okay. Alright, so we got this. You know what? What if these 2 bytes are just interpreted as like an integer? Bruh. That might... I don't know. So like a 2-byte integer? Or something? Or like it's 4 bytes. Could be 4 bytes. 191, bruh. Alright. Okay, so one question I do have that I don't want to do the work to figure out right now. But one thing that I do want to know is like, where do the packets, because like now I know where they get decoded, right? Where do they actually, like, where's the processing of the packets? Like what actually parses the packet data? And I don't know. For now, I don't know. I could figure it out, though. I could figure it out. Because here... Where is it? Come on, where is it? Here somewhere. Where did I do this? Oh my god. Oh, this one. Yeah, this one. It tells me which I can know which index of the big function was happening, and then it'll print out like which one it is. So it seems like there's 4 in here, and these, the first and the last, are correlated, and the 2 in the middle are correlated, apparently. So okay, with that information, this is my... Ooh, wow, that's a lot of 191s. Yeah, I'm not too sure about that. Let's just press enter for every 191. Or let's just put them all in their own line, because yeah. Alright, let's look at this again. What is 4 bytes? It has such a weird encoding. Alright, let's look at this in floating point, because this could be floating point. This could be a floating point. It's okay, it's a tiny number. It's a tiny number. Let's look at this one. I hope this isn't just like a ginormous number this time. No, it's tiny. What the heck, dude? It's a... Okay, so these numbers are close to 0 if they were a floating point number. Interesting. So why Does this happen? If this were the case, why 4 of them like that? Like, that would be kind of weird. And here there's only 2. It's like 2, 1, 2. Yeah. So let's look at that. So let's do 4. Let's do 4s. And that doesn't fit. Oops. This is interesting. So there's like a... What the heck is this, dude? Here we only have 3 before we hit the next 248. That's... Oh, got it going on. This one. I remember this. Yeah. 248. And here's the ending 191. You know what? So if there's a 191, that implies that it needs a marker to end like a section, maybe. So how many of those do we probably have? Let me look at that. Yeah, so it says there's a thing here. Oh yeah. Okay, it says updated flags. Oh, there's like a switch case, isn't it? There's like a switch. I see. Is that how that works? So there's a bunch of numbers. Camera X, camera Y. And then the velocity, I think. Okay, so what? So we should have a few numbers here then. For the player, here we start with a 0. Okay. Here we also start with a 0. Yeah. 2 zeros. Hell nah. So here is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 248. 1, 2, 3. 240. Okay, and then we have like a 238. Yeah, kind of crazy. 238. Yeah. I don't know about that one. These two are weird. I'm not entirely sure about that. You know what? The beginning of these... I need to check the beginning of these too. Because like here we got stuff. Bro. Yeah, I think... Because here we have 0 and then 4 bytes, 248, and then 191. Here we have 0, 4 bytes, 255, and then the 191s. So these are these show a different, like a different thing. And this has a 1 at the end of it, and this has a 0 at the end of it. So what is that about? What's the deal? What's the deal with that? Oh my god, dude. God damn, bro. Alright, I hit 3 hours. I'm not gonna pause it like that. Alright, bro. But this is definitely... This is gonna give me information. This implies a few things. So the 191 is like I don't know, an ending marker, and then 240 definitely encodes like a 2-byte integer probably. You know what? No. Let's encode this. Let's try to get the, before I get out of here, but let's try to do the half precision. Let's do that half precision. Calculator. Can we do that? Ooh. Can I paste a thing with this? Alright, what do I have? 3 FFF. Alright, let's just do this. Let's put a 3 in the beginning. How do you get a 3 on here? Let's put a bunch of 1s. Oh, there we go. Bruh, this is like a floating point. This could be a thing. This could be a thing. Oh, you can edit the hex. That's great. This one's better. This one's actually better because it gives you like all the other ones. All right, that's cool. All right, so 240 could be 2-byte string, half precision floating point. Maybe. So 240, yeah, could be that. Here's kind of weird with the 224. I don't know what that is. 224, bro. Not sure about that one. And then it just says 225, bro. Like what? 224, 225. Yeah. So 240. This one has a lot of 240s in it. That's good. That means floating point. A lot of floating point. So yeah, let's figure that out. Let's, you know, just no. I'm gonna call it, brother. Yeah, trying to understand the packets. That's what I'll put for that. Alright, I will commit this real quick. Oops. I am committing this. Alright. Okay. Hold up. I'm closing everything. Alright. Alright, guys. I'm calling it here. I'm calling it. It was a good video. I mean, good live stream. You know, I looked at the packets a little more. I figured out. I don't know what I figured out, but I definitely, the information, alright, it's in here. And most of it is on the file that I saved, so, yeah. Alright, man. Well, peace out, guys. Yeah. Peace out. See you in the next one. Peace out.